Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you my favorite tea recipe, which is a perfect home remedy for cough and cold. For this we will need 2 cups of water, turmeric, ginger, green tea, basil, lemon juice and some honey. Take 2 cups of water in a pot and turn heat to medium. First we will add some ginger, then turmeric and let them simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Now reduce heat from medium to low and add 1 teaspoon of green tea. Make sure you do not boil the green tea, as boiling results in release of excessive amount of tannins, which may make your tea bitter in taste. Add some basil and let them steep for 3 to 4 minutes. Now strain your tea and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and honey. We are adding lemon juice and honey at this stage because boiling them destroys their nutritional value. Enjoy your warm cup of tea and stay tuned for next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.